science of breathing. So I'm going to go through this, and if there's any questions, and ask me after it.
Okay. All right.
Ask me after it.
Yep.
But I'm just going to go with this now. Okay, this is the science of breathing. You can sit down, Kevin. This is the science of breathing. So now the main point with the science of breathing is, always remember that your diaphragmatic breath is only done 10 to 20% of the time when you're singing, okay? When you're singing, the other 80 to 90% is your bronchial breath topping up when you're singing. So you've got to top this up in between nearly every phrase. Remember that you're only taking a proper diaphragmatic breath when you have time, okay? And that's generally at the start of a verse, pre-chorus, chorus, or bridge when you've got time. The rest of the time you don't have time, so you just want to top up what you've just used in the phrase that you sung. I'm going to give you an example here with the Beatles song. So when I'm putting my hand down here, I'm taking the proper diaphragmatic breath. When I'm doing this, I'm just topping up what I've just used, okay? This is just to explain how many times I'm taking a diaphragmatic breath and how many times I'm taking a bronchial breath. When I take my bronchial breath, my diaphragm's still full. I'm just topping up what I've just used here. Okay. When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. And now these days are gone and I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I changed my mind, I've opened up the door. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being round. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me? And now my life is changing oh so many ways. On and on to the end of the song. So as you can see, there only took 3 diaphragmatic breaths. Start of the verse, start of the chorus, start of the verse. It's the only time I've got time, because if I take a proper diaphragmatic breath in between each line, it'll be, when I was younger, so much younger than today. It will be there all day, yeah. Okay? So that's why we don't do it. So we just top up what we just used. My diaphragm's completely full. This is the same technique that you're going to use for every single song, whether you're singing high, low, clean, dirty, fast, slow. Even if I'm singing a slow song. Okay, so when I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be. Let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Okay, and then back into the diaphragmatic breath there. So that is the science of breathing. Okay. Yep. Oh, let me get that going.
Stop that?
Yeah, stop that. So say that as the science of breathing. Kev, is there any questions you want to ask me about that? Now I know it's going to take a little time to get happening.
Hang of it, yeah.
Okay, but you really just take a proper diaphragmatic breath when you've got good amounts of time. Okay?
Yeah, I think it's just...
And then the rest of the time, you're just topping up what you just used, and your diaphragm's always staying supported. So when I'm doing this, my diaphragm's full. When I find myself... I told you, help. When I was younger, so much younger than today, still full. I never needed anybody's help in any way, diaphragm still full. And now these days are gone and I'm not so self-assured. Now fine, I changed my mind, I've opened up the door. I've got time, like that, okay? Yeah. So again, don't stress, this is going to become subconscious. Okay, you'll naturally do this,
yeah.
okay, in between the verses and choruses.
Yep.